address by Ramakant Inani, sir, President of Federation of Telangana Chamber of Commerce and Industries.
Charuji, Your Excellency, Mr. Mohammad Suleiman Kakar, Consul General of Islamic Republic of Afghanistan, Mr. Mohammad Mansoor Sahak, Commercial Head Embassy of Islamic Republic of Afghanistan at New Delhi, Excellency Mr. Suresh Chukapalli ji, Honorable Consul General of Korea, participants, ladies and gentlemen. Very good morning to all of you. It gives me great pleasure to participate and address the buyer-seller meet. I am happy to inform that recently we had the privilege of visit of Your Excellency Mr. Mohammad Suleiman Kakar, Consul General, and Mr. Sayyid Muhammad Ibrahim Khil, Vice Consul General of Islamic Republic of Afghanistan, to our FTCCI, and also attending the opening of Afghanistan Food Festival. On behalf of FTCI and on my own behalf, we thank the Afghanistan government for opening the consulate office in Hyderabad to further the trade and other economic opportunities and expand trade between the two countries, Afghanistan and South India, as well as to provide necessary consulate services for the Indian and Afghan nationals residing in this region, mainly the student community. I was told there are 5,000 in Hyderabad next to Pune. FTCCI would be happy to work with consulate in further strengthening the mutual relationship between the two countries. We also compliment the consulate for organizing 10-day food festival at Hyderabad, Telangana, to set up a platform for establishment of mutual interest of both the countries. FTCCI has circulated the details of food festival to all its members and looking forward for more collaborative events in the state of Telangana. India and Afghanistan have a strong relationship, as already told, based on historical and cultural links. The bilateral relations between the two countries have remained strong and friendly over the decades. Given the geographical proximity and historical linkages, India has been a natural trading partner for Afghanistan and is the largest market in South Asia for its products. Charuji, you already told that Kandari Anar, from times immemorial, for your kind information, in the Deepavali, that Kandari Anar is offered as Nevedyam to Lakshmi, the goddess of wealth. She will be happy with the Kandari Anar only. That is available in India for a lot of time, and my father also recalls that before the grape cultivation came up in India, the grape used to come from Chaman. He used to say it used to be packed in the cartoons with cotton, and they were nicely packed. The total bilateral trade between India and Afghanistan for the year 1920 was around US $1.5 billion. Another important initiative which strengthened bilateral trade was the operationalization of the Chabar port in December 17, followed by commercial agreement to manage port operations in February 18. The Indian market, especially Telangana, has been growing consistently, and there are great opportunities to expand trade and investment, particularly in the pharma, agro and food processing, IT, tourism, logistics, energy and manufacturing sectors. Telangana has topped the rankings in ease of doing business in the country, thus demonstrating the commitment and dedication with which our government of Telangana is working. Though Make in India and several other initiatives, the Indian government has been aggressively promoting FDI in select manufacturing sectors in India and improving India's ease of doing business. Telangana is in forefront in agriculture also. It grows rice which can feed our entire country, and we grow 25% of the cotton of the grown in the country, which is exported to consuming countries like Bangladesh and China, and recently Pakistan is also looking to import the cotton. 25% of our India's cement is produced in the Telangana region. We invite the Afghanistan government and companies to proactively partner with India's ambitious development projects and programs. These partnerships can help us reach new heights in our trade and commercial partnership. For the information of the gathering here, I would like to inform that our Federation of Telangana Chamber of Commerce Industry, that is FTCCI, is an apex body representing the interest of industry, trade and commerce in the state of Telangana. The Federation is actively and consistently engaged in protecting the interest of the industry and commerce, and is playing a constructive role in policy formulation for rapid industrial progress in the state for last 103 years. We have more than 2,500 companies as its direct members, and to 25,000 through its affiliate members, that is from district chambers, product associations. FTCCI periodically holds conferences, seminars and meetings for the benefit of the state on latest developments in the field of economy, industry, marketing trends, investment, taxation, etc. FTCCI has been proactively supporting the government by providing suggestions at each stage of development, creating awareness and disseminating the knowledge among various stakeholders. Tomorrow will be the World Health Day. Honorable Minister for Health, Mr. Itala Rajender, will be visiting our chamber and addressing our members. And also on 22nd April, that will be Earth Day. Honorable Sri Indrakaran Reddy, Minister for Forest and Environment, will be the chief guest. Shah Saab, you told about almonds. One of the reason is the American almond is coming at 1/4 of the cost. Of course, your quality of your Mamra almond is uncomparable. So that is the reason I think that your exports are not coming much to India. I thank you for giving me this opportunity to share my thoughts, and on behalf of FTCCI, I assure you our best of cooperation in strengthening the trade relations. Thank you.